Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, where we dive into the timeless wisdom of ancient Chinese philosophy. This is Tong Shu Numbers Academy, and I'm excited to take you on a journey through the fascinating teachings of Tong Shu, a revered book of Chinese wisdom. Calendar dances to a different beat. Instead of relying on the sun's journey, it follows the rhythm of the moon, with each month starting afresh with a new moon and culminating in a waning one. This lunar connection isn't just symbolic. It's the core principle behind the calendar's unique structure. The moon isn't the only player in this cosmic dance. To stay in sync with the Earth's natural cycles, like planting seasons and important festivals, the lunar calendar incorporates a special feature: the leap month. Imagine it as a bridge, appearing roughly every 3 years to ensure alignment with the solar year. This ingenious invention, a testament to the ancient Chinese's understanding of astronomy, guarantees that the calendar remains relevant for both celestial and earthly rhythms. Now, delve deeper into the heart of the lunar calendar, the captivating world of the 12 zodiac animals. Each year, in the 12-year cycle is adorned with one of these fascinating creatures, influencing not just dates, but also cultural beliefs about personality and destiny. Picture the cunning and adaptable rat, known for its quick wit and resourceful spirit. In folklore, it even outsmarted the mighty ox in a race. In contrast, the ox embodies strength and reliability, while the brave and competitive tiger is said to possess a touch of impulsiveness. The gentle rabbit, known for its diplomacy and cautious nature, might find a good companion in the loyal dog, while the energetic horse may clash with the peace-loving goat. This isn't just a personality parade. Each animal is further intertwined with one of the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, creating a richer tapestry of influences. Imagine a fire dragon, passionate and flamboyant, compared to the calm and introspective water dragon. This intermingling of zodiac signs and elements adds depth and nuance to the personality profiles, offering intriguing insights into potential strengths, weaknesses, and compatibility. Wondering which majestic creature adorns your birth year? It's not as straightforward as you might think. Remember, the Chinese New Year doesn't always fall on the same day as the Gregorian New Year. So, if your birthday precedes the Chinese New Year in your birth year, your zodiac sign belongs to the previous year's animal. This unique calculation unlocks your personal connection to the lunar calendar and its rich tapestry of meanings. Exploring your zodiac sign offers a unique lens through which to view your personality, strengths, and even relationships. Whether you're a creative wood rabbit or a determined fire monkey, understanding your cosmic connection can add a fascinating layer of understanding to your life journey. Lastly, I encourage you to delve deeper into its rich tapestry, explore its principles, experiment with its practical applications, and discover how this timeless guide can enhance your own life's journey. Remember, the most valuable insights often lie in the exploration itself. Leave a comment with us if you are interested to see some readings in the next videos, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. In the next video, we'll be diving into the dance of yin and yang, so make sure to stay tuned. See you next time.